gagawin sa akin Bonel Balingit. Offensive foul. Hindi nakaporma ng gusto si Bonel Balingit.
But you have to give that.
Para sa rebound. Ito si Brix Encarnacion. Lead by Brix Encarnacion.
Sinabi kay Nelson, huwag kang
to 15 points.
Said that in the fourth quarter. But from then on, San Miguel never looked back. Natalo sila. Players right now on the team. So, you know, you have to play a speedy game against them.
Samantala, position by Daniel Devoto. Lago, Bonel Balingit challenging Daniel Devoto. Lago, challenging at the baseline. And we have the first timeout on the moment. Para sa rebound, ito si Brix Encarnacion. Lead by Brix Encarnacion.
Sinabi kay Nelson, huwag kang haharap dito. Just really, we should take a look at how high he went up for that shot.
Ito yung dunk ni Brix Encarnacion. Ito kung gaano kataas yun, nung sinasabi nilang way above the rim na Brix Encarnacion.
Stuck na yung remind.
Bonel Balingit, pumupwesto sa ilalim. Alan K. Dick na nasa bench.
It was a very bad foul. Gonna result at easy 2 points. It was a 4-2 situation. Roy Vince tried to be
San
fast.
Miguel Beer, binigay kay Nelson na sa Toro. Still Dwight Lago watching him.
I didn't explain that. I want somebody that can make sure that like ano na nababanggit ko sa iyo. But still one last attempt here.
Boybit Victoria, good fake. Oh! Hindi pinamaan pa yata siya rin. Natakad siya kung bakit nila ang foul. Pero pa man, that shot will count. And Pop Tola comes away with a 3-point with that inbound pass. As you look at Vergel Meneses, meron pa kung injury nangyari. Alan Kaide up ahead to Nelson Azaitoro. Now slick.
Kung ako si Roy Vince, gusto niya talagang bumalik sa Pilipinas. Gusto niya may great shot. Baka maka-assistant coach daw siya. Kaya magaling na laro parati. Galing ito na Balingit. Disabled man. Alan will shoot a 3-point shot.
Ay, na naman ang offensive rebounding na sa Miguel.
Correct. Kumula niya, inaabangan na niya yung drive ni Fede na.
Nelson Azaitoro. Nelson Azaitoro. Nagkala na isang offensive rebound. San Miguel Beer, Nelson Azaitoro challenging Nick Velasco. Tatawagan ng foul si Velasco. And it's going to be a 3-point opportunity para kay Nelson Azaitoro.
Nelson siguro ang panahon niya. Pagkatapos sa tira, nalitingan pa siya sa coach niya sa field.
Hindi ko nasa likod pa.
Parang kasi hindi mahilig magpaikot eh. Kita mo nga, ano ba?
Asan na kayo?
Team for them in the forward lineup. Nelson, he was down. 3-point shot.
Nick Velasco didn't want him to score on a 3-point shot. He will give him 3 free throws instead. Pinakamalaking kalamangan ng San Miguel. And Nelson Azaitoro. So, sila po ang unang team na makapapasok sa championship round. And at the way things are going, mukhang ganun na nangyayari. It's lead at Cal Malone to 15 points. On the clock, wants the timeout. Meron pa po tayo 2 minutes and 26 seconds remaining in the game. Magandang pasa ni Alan Kaide and Nelson Azaitoro. Pero nagdirimo na po yung mga supporters and fans ng San Miguel Beer dito po sa Cuneta Astrodome. As San Miguel pulls up to a 15-point lead. And 48 seconds remaining in the game. And a whopping 17-point lead para sa San Miguel Beer.
Hosting to victory here. Just one great fourth quarter spurt.